Same situation. They were going to be evicted on Friday, and on Wednesday they said, you know what, screw you, we're going to, and they went and took a self-tapping screw and drilled it into the water heater and then called the fire department. And the fire department showed up and says, we can't fix electrical, so we're going to have to call the power company. The power company showed up and said, we don't do anything inside the house, shut the power off, so they had to move that night. So I can go on, and perhaps I will some other day as I remember all the issues, but, none of these people who lived here were people every last one of them owed me for being here. More than just being here, me helping them after they were here. I've never had a landlord that would loan me money. I've never had a landlord that would help me fix my car. And I rented, guys, I've rented for years. I've never, ever had a landlord like me. But I'm telling you, no matter how nice you are, these people, there are people, and I don't believe it's everybody, but there are people who are just bad people. They pretend to be nice when they meet you, and after that, they're going to take advantage. I have a working solution for it, and I'll work on it later, but there's my opinion.